Okay, korang jumpa lagi. Okay, I akan buat 2 vision. Satu English vision, satu Malay vision. So I hope kalau you guys suka dengan konten ni, support and supaya I lagi semangat untuk share what I felt, what I'm going through from the childhood trauma. After 30, now I'm 37. After 35, I think I want to open. Bukan sebab aku nak buka aib siapa-siapa ke, ataupun aku nak buka aib di sendiri ke, bukan. Disebabkan aku dah maafkan orang tu, but benda tu selalu dekat, lega-lega dekat aku punya otak ni. Dan aku bukan the kind of person yang everything aku nak story, bukan. Aku jenis yang ada kawan baik aku jenis aku kan jenis type yang suka melepak, dan aku bukan jenis person yang macam mana cerita apa benda cerita semua cerita. No, kalau korang nampak aku sekarang ni, hanya korang tahu cerita aku hanya 10%. Bukan semua benda aku share, but bila aku going through the bipolar disorder punya situation, tired, feeling tu up and down, kadang-kadang nangis. Lepas tu when somebody want to close with me, I don't know, I bukan nak open ke, no. I tak suka typical yang sebab I tak suka judge orang, I tak suka judge your past, I tak suka compare kan. But bila I dah cuba bercakap, cuba orang kata, sebab I tahu some marriage tu dia berasa bila kita interaction, maksudnya interaksi dengan partner. You kena tahu apa partner nak, you kena tahu apa yang partner tak suka buat. Dan bila part you je you nak orang dengar, tapi part orang you tak nak dengar, it's not fair lah kan. So aku bukan jenis bercinta yang couple putus tu memang biasalah perempuan kan, suka minta putus apa semua kan. Tapi bila aku dah bertahan, everything I do 15 years, lepas tu bila aku going through the second macam dah bercerai punya relationship, aku tahu lah diorang mentang-mentang because I'm a divorce, buat you ada hak untuk tak respect. So respectful tu sangat-sangat penting lah, sangat-sangat penting bagi aku. Yang korang tak boleh macam mana, sorry guys, ada customer, so I sambung. Alright, I'm exalted, and yes, perhaps I was wrong to compare, but that never gave anyone the right to insult me, degrade me, or cause me harm. From the very beginning, he broke my belongings. He left me not once, but repeatedly. He is without question the most emotional, careless person I have ever known. No empathy, no regret for the feelings of others. And still I forgive, I accept, I stay. And still I forgive, I accept, I stay. Now, after 3 years, I see no direction in this relationship at all. What I see is the same cycle, appearing only when it suits him, despairing when I am the one hoping. This is not a healthy connection. This is not love. This is toxic. Staying longer will not make me more value. It's only teach me how to neglect myself for someone who never truly choose me. Okay? So if anyone feel what I felt, just let it go and accept yourself. We cannot make others change if they don't want. So don't put high hopes from anyone. Also your family, your friend, your partner. Don't put too high hope for them. So if it meant to be, it meant to be. Alright? Love, Nadia.